Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M14 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to activate double tap to turn off the screen. That is how to lock your screen by double tap. Okay. First of all, I double tap on the empty screen. It's not locking. Okay. For locking, you will use side key. Suppose side key is not working in your phone, you can use double tap to turn off the screen. Double tap to lock your screen. Okay. For that, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to advanced features. Then go to motions and gestures. And here, turn on this button. Double tap to turn off the screen. Okay. Now, on empty space in home screen or lock screen, just double tap. Okay. Yes. To turn off the screen, just you can double tap on empty space in home screen or lock screen. Okay. In this way, you can easily activate double tap to turn off the screen in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.